Hi everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. I'm Sarat. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll discuss about the Copilot Studio, how we can create an agentic AI on top of this Copilot by using Copilot. Okay, and this is one agent I have created. Sri Sathya Sai Vahini Wisdom Guide. That means I'm having different spiritual books which is written by Sri Sathya Sai Baba, and I want to create one agent which can guide through all the spiritual books and the knowledge. We can do a conversation with this agent, asking our spiritual aspirants our questions, and agent will guide us. Okay, this if you this is the agent. I have initially I have created one first video how to create the agent. Now I am trying to explain you how to add the database. That means agent work on how it works. It works on different data different knowledge means the data sets. Okay, whatever the knowledge you feed into the agent, it will learn from them. Okay, and give the response to you, to the user. Suppose I am asking any question, so it will the response to my question from where, from the knowledge. Okay, so this is the knowledge section of the Copilot Studio. When you create an agent, then you can see different headings are there: overview, knowledge, tool, agent, topics is there. So knowledge is the first one you need to configure. So how to add? So here you can see I have added three different topics. Knowledge here. One is my website, which is contains about the activities of scidaily.org. That means the Sathya Sai Seva organization daily NCR. That website I have linked, and along with that I have added one PDF which is called Bhagavat Vahini. So this Bhagavat Vahini contains the Bhagavad Katha, which is written by Bhagawan Sathya Sai Baba, and it contains all the stories related to Bhagavan Krishna, the conversations between King Parikshit with the sage Sukha. Okay, so Sukha Muni is the son of Lord Vyasadeva. Okay, so Vyasamuni and his son is Sukdev. He has a conversation with King Parikshit. King Parikshit is the grandson of Pandavas. Okay, Yudhishthir, Arjun, and Nakul Sahadev, all those things. Okay, so this is the one PDF. Another PDF contains Ram Katha Rasavahini, which contains the story of whole Ramayana, the Ramayana, the value behind the Ramayana, and the conversations between Ram and Bharata, the characteristics of the all the characters like Rama, Lakshman, Bharata, Satrughna, and Dasaratha. Then the queens of King Dasaratha. Then the characteristics of Ravana and how it happens. How Rama is represented as a good human, you can say. So all these things are written in the Ram Gatha Rasvahini. It is handwritten by Sri Sathya Sai Baba. So these are the two things. But when I ask questions to the bot, it will go inside this knowledge data set and it will capture the data. Okay, let me show you one example. So for example, I want to ask questions from Bhagavad Vahini. So let me ask like what Arjuna what Arjuna what is the characteristic of Arjuna in Bhagavad Vahini. Okay, so it will see it is going to the topic Bhagavad Katha. Okay, see now it is showing the topic Bhagavad, and it is going to this topic and it is extracting the data from the Bhagavad Vahini. Okay, characteristic of Arjuna describes in the Bhagavad Vahini is courage and valor, devotion and peace. Okay, respect of dharma and humanity and learning. So this is the summary of extractions from the document which I have provided as a knowledge to the agent. Okay, this Copilot agent. You can see it is explaining very well, and once it is completed and it is referring to which one, it is also showing it is referring to different this Bhagavata Vahini PDF. Okay, and you can see all these things are humanity and learning, respect of dharma. Arjuna's actions are guided by his adherence to the warrior Kshatriya dharma. He is prepared to renounce everything to God and fight for righteousness, reflecting his commitment to upholding the dharma. Okay, so he respects the dharma. Okay, how he respects it has been written here. Similarly, if I want to jump to the another topic, so it is referring to one, it is showing in the left hand side, it is referring to my topic, that is called Bhagavata. Similarly, let me ask a question from Ramayana. Okay, uh, what uh, what is the same characteristics, what is the conversation, can you write, can you provide a summary of discussions between Rama and Bharata in uh, 10 lines. Okay, so see where it is referring. Now it is referring, earlier it was showing Bhagavata, now it is showing Ram Katha Rasvahini. Okay, and it is referring to this topic now. And how it extracts, let's see summary of discussion between Ram and Bharata. Okay, I have specifically mentioned give me in 10 lines. Let's see it is providing the summary in 10 lines or not. So it is extracting from that particular knowledge. Okay, there are, I show you in initially there are three knowledge databases there. One is the website, another is the Ramakatha Rasvahini, and another is third one is Bhagavad Katha. So now I asked the question from Ramayana, and it understand where to go and where to fetch. See, it is referring to the document Ramakatha Rasvahini, and let me make it bigger. And you can see it is providing how many lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It is providing the details in 10 summary. So Bharata eagerly prepared of Rama's return to Ayodhya, informing the city and gathering everyone to welcome him. Upon meeting, Rama consoled Bharata, who was weakened from his devotion and efforts. Rama praised Bharata for his steadfast devotion and affection towards the people. Bharata and Shatrugna showed deep reverence uh, by prostrating before Rama, who had to help them rise. Rama expressed his wish to perform a horse sacrifice yoga to bring joy and calm to Ayodhya. Bharata was initially hesitant to inform the Guru Vasishtha about the sacrifice, but was encouraged by Rama. Vasishtha approved the sacrifice, making Bharata and the ministry very happy. Bharata was taken with the preparation of the sacrifice, which is carried out diligently. Rama and Vasishtha respected the city decorations and were pleased with the preparation. So all these things has been written. So it is extracts data from entire from Ramakatha Rasavahini. If you specifically mentioned the discussion between Rama and Bharata in the Banvas time, like uh, only provide information of discussions held in Rama and Bharata during Rama's Banvas. Agile, I think it is called in English. No, no, no. Banvasa. Okay, let's see. So this type of information is extracting. So my next what I want to told you. So this is one of the topic I have created. Okay, so first let's go. For example, I want to add another knowledge to this. Okay, so many vahinis are there. I have added Ram Katara and Bhagavad Vahini. Let us go to this one PDF section, and there is called Upanishad Vahini. Okay, uh, Upanishad Vahini, and let me download this PDF. So Upanishad Vahini. Okay, let's go to any Prashnottara Vahini is there. There will be Vahini Prema Prashnottara Vahini. Prashnottara Vahini means the question and answer session between Sathya Sai Baba and devotees. Okay, so let me go to this PDF. So Prashnottara Vahini. So you can see there's different pages are there in this PDF. There is a question asked by the devotees, answer from Sathya Sai Baba. So let me export this question answer like Prashnottara Vahini, and this PDF is downloaded. Let me go to my knowledge database, and I want to add this knowledge to my agent. Okay, so how can I add? I can upload the file, select from browse here, and this is Prashnottara Vahini. I can add this PDF here. Once you add it, this knowledge is source, searches the information containing in Prashnottara Vahini PDF. Add to agent, description is written perfectly. So now it is getting loaded to my knowledge. Okay, to the knowledge of this agent. Once this is get loaded, then you can okay, now it is there. Okay, see, still it is generating the questions. Last question I have asked, it is generating the answers from my previous Rama's counsel and farewell. So emotions, reactions, Rama's praise, Bharata's plea to Rama, then Rama's response, how Bharat has plead to Rama to come back to Ayodhya during Vanvasa, and the what Rama has response to Bharata, and emotional reactions, how it happens, Rama's counsel and farewell. All these things and has been written. Okay, so I have added this Prashnottara Vahini now. So let me see, it is in progress, no worries. In between, let me create a topic. Okay, let's go to the topic section and add a topic here. What is topic? Topic means you can add a topic which will specifically with a purpose, like you can create, like for example, I have created a feedback topic here. Okay, there is two type of a topic, either custom topic and system topic. So system topic are fixed here, like conversation start. For example, once the agent is starting conversation, what is the message will come? That is conversational start. Okay, this is a system which is by default it will come, and if you want to enable it, you can on it or off it. Okay, so end of conversation. For example, at the end of conversation, I have configured it like this way. You can after this conversation, when it ends, it will ask the questions. Okay, do you answer? Did that answer your questions? This will ask by the bot. Okay, and the boolean type of data it will take, yes or no. Then once it is get yes or no, then there will be different conditions. If it is true, then you can ask for like rating. Okay. And thanks, then another message will come, thanks for your feedback, can I help you anything else, again yes or no it will come. Then after that it will so this conditional, you can say, conversation it will be there. If true, then what will happen, if not back, then say goodbye, okay goodbye, like this way. So this end of a conversation, you can edit it, go ahead, I'm listening, like this way. So if it is true, okay, and like this way it will come here. Okay, so this is called end of conversation. Similarly, that there are different system. Goodbye session is there, greetings is there. Okay, goodbye. While I have already here goodbye session, so you can see here. Uh, it will. Would you like to end your conversation? Yes or no? It will come. Once you ask yes or no, then it will be equal to true or false. If it is true, then it will be end of the conversation. Topic will be ended. Okay. If it is false, then it will be like this. Go ahead. I'm listening. Like this type of answer will message will come. Okay. Goodbye message. And if I'm going to any other topic, feedback to submit. So for example, at the end of the session, if someone asks like these questions, then you can multiple type of questions will be there. How would rate your experience today? So you can ask this type of questions, 1 2 3, then boolean, need more help, like this way you can generate the feedback sessions. Okay, so you can see the feed, there is a called feedback also. So feedback I think I have configured this one. Let me show you. So it will ask the questions during the feedback. What is your name? Okay, for example, people will ask, give his name. Okay, then what is your email address? Then you can put his email address. What is your contact number? If you want to capture all those things, you can capture it, and the feedback message will come. And thank you for providing, they will provide the feedback, and they can send the message, thank you for providing the information and your feedback, like this way. And this conversation will be closed. So this is the topic. Okay, this is called topic. So in this way I have created one Bhagavat topic also. Another topic, let me create from blank. Okay, so I have added the knowledge now for Prashnotra Vahini. Okay, so this topic, so you can describe what is the topic does. Okay, so this topic will respond uh, only when user asks any um, any um, spiritual questions on day-to-day life, and it will refer to the knowledge of Prashnotra Vahini. Okay, let me add another thread to it, and I can add here. And there is advanced thread is there. So go to generative answers. So you can mention here input. What will be the input? Input will be my activity dot text. So there is a called activity text. People will ask questions in the text format, so it will be activity dot text. And once this input is there from the user, so it will refer to which data source you need to mention. Okay, so it will be search only from selected sources. Okay, and there all the sources are showing. Just click on the Prashnottara Vahini. Okay, so and save it, and you can rename it. That topic was Prashnottara Prashno Vahini. Okay, so what is the name? Actually I need to see here. So the name is Prashnottara. Okay, so let me take the same name here. So it is called Prashnottara Vahini. Okay, So we have created the topic, and topic is set. Okay, let me go to my conversation test. Okay, close it. Go back. Okay, and go to the agent section. Sathya Vahini is here. I see Sathya Sai Vahini Wisdom Series. This is the test window. I have initiated again. So initially it will ask that this type of message will come. This is the conversation start message. Okay, topic. Hello, I am Sathya Sai Vahini Wisdom Guide, a virtual assistant. So you are aware. Just so you are aware, I am providing the answers based on the knowledge database like different Vahini series and from Sathya Sai Vahini Daily Answer website. Okay. So let me ask the questions from Prashnottara Vahini. Okay. So Prashnottara Vahini, let me go some few of the questions from here. So what are different type of fire? What are they and how they named? Okay. So you can ask these questions. Okay. For example, let me go here. You can rephrase it. What are different type of fires? Okay, different type of Agni, okay, fire, and what are they and how they named. Okay, so once I ask this question, let's see where it is going. Okay, searching the knowledge. So it is referring to the source page number 9, chapter 2, and this is getting fire time, fire of hunger, cold fire, fire of anger. So let me go to the topic. I think they are called five fires because of the elements: fire of time, fire of hunger, cold fire, and fire anger, and fire of knowledge. Okay, so you can see in the PDF it is written here. They are called five fires. Okay, and if I am going to my topic, so it is referring each of it and resides in the pit. So fire of time, it resides in the pit. Fire of hunger, it resides in the navel. Cold fire resides in the stomach. Fire of anger resides in the eye. Fire of knowledge, it resides in the heart. So this is the wisdom that is coming from different Upanishads and is referring to the book that is called Prashnottara Vahini, written by Sri Sathya Sai Baba. Jai Sai Ram. I think this will help you how to create a topic to understand. And yeah, thank you so much. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you again.